Let's get into grays. First, knowing the amount of gray in your hair will make it easier to find the right starting level. It's important to choose the right hair color shade to ensure your grays end up looking natural. For example, if you want to go back to brunette or light brown, you'll want a shade that mimics the absence of warmth in your hair. Consider warm tone shades in our AGEbeautiful Golden series.
Now, when you have a high percentage of gray to cover, you might want a shade that uses an extra dose of dye to tackle those really resistant wiry hairs. AGEbeautiful's Neutral series palette offers double pigment shades created to completely cover stubborn grays while giving you the color result you want. AGEbeautiful has a variety of NN shades for extra gray coverage.
So let's say you have 50% or more gray hair. You need to mix a shade specifically created for gray coverage and the vibrant shade you want in equal parts to ensure even coverage. For example, to achieve a vibrant red, mix 1 part of our AGEbeautiful 5RR with 1 part 5NN. For an intense red with a kiss of warmth, mix equal parts of AGEbeautiful 5RR and 5NNG.
Now, what about going cooler? This can be trickier, especially with 50% or more grays. You'll need to replace the missing warmth in order to completely cover the white hairs. Our AGEbeautiful series offers shades that'll neutralize unwanted warmth with a double dose of the coolest gray-green color, also known as Ash or AA. To achieve this, you might try mixing 1 part AGEbeautiful 5AA with 1 part 5NN.
Ready to dive into developers? Let's do it.